Is it ever possible for boys and girls to be friends? Not that I know in Islam. Boys and girls can only be friends if they are brothers and sisters and mahrim, and they are young boys and young girls, so they are like as good as friends. But if you are talking about boyfriends and girlfriends, then there is no such concept in Islam, and it is haram, and it is minor kind of zina. If they are just friends, in that, like, when you're working in the office, when you're working in the companies, or you are like in the school, and you have a limitation, like between you are in the same classroom, then you should have your limits. You should have your limits, that unnecessarily the boy should not speak with the girl and girl should not speak with the boy for no reason. That could, bring, more steps ahead than that can be changed to a different relationship. That's not allowed in Islam. So you have to be careful. And we can't stop the children like that unless we educate them, unless we tell them and explain to them. And that too, they will mostly they will see how we are, relating ourselves and how we are behaving when we have parties and the events going on in our houses. When we have mixed party, when we have, the women and men, they get together and they are talking and they are not mahram, but it's a mixed gathering. So the children will pick up immediately. They'll see, okay, my mom is talking to that man, and that man is not her mahram. Or maybe that man is not our relative. Or my daughter, my sister is talking to that person. So they learn this. The kids generally learn from the brothers and sisters. When the sisters are wearing, indecent dresses in the house, the younger sisters will develop that etiquette and they will follow them. Same thing when the older brothers who are misbehaving and, not properly behaving, decently behaving in the house, the younger brothers and younger sisters will take that as an advantage and they will learn immediately from them. So because shaitan is very much alert in that and make them, observe those kind of things. So we have to be careful with that.